Now let's start with the real usages of pen tool. Suppose there is a logo in a really poor quality. You can see the logo is in not a good quality. We cannot use it for printing or branding because if I increase its size, it will lose its quality more than this. So here we can use our pen tool to recreate this logo which is already existed. How? First, I'm gonna start from a point where I wanna create this logo and I wanna end it there as well. For doing that, there should be a layer section. If there isn't, go to the window, come to the layers. Yeah, here's the layer. In layer you can see the layer 1. We're gonna have a full video on layer, but right now we just need to work on our pen tool, so skip everything whatever I say. But there are 2 layers. First we're gonna create a new layer. Our first layer is the shape I have or the logo we have. The second layer is for creating another logo or illustrating it back or tracing it back. Select this one, go to the or click on these 3 lines, come to the template, click on it. Now we can't use it, we can't move it. It's like a stuck image, because sometimes whenever we are creating or illustrating something, whenever there are 2 layers, mistakenly we move the first layer or the second layer, so half of the shape is created and half of the shape is somewhere else. Maybe we mess it up. So that's why we're gonna make a template so this image or logo does not move anymore. Come back to our pen tool. You cannot draw anything. Why? Because the layer which you make a template is selected. Select the second one. Now I want to start it from here. Click here. Now let's come to here, click and drag, create the curve how it is. If you guys are seeing this fill color and you don't want it, come to the fill, click on this none, so only stroke will be remained and the fill will be gone. Now come click here, same, you're gonna trace it. Whenever there's like this linear, do not click and drag, so you do not put any bezier handles unnecessarily. Whenever you need it, click and drag, so you guys have your bezier handles. Come click here. I can still move the handles. I just do the first half because the second one is almost duplicated. I'm gonna hold and drag Alt, right click on it, go to transform, reflect it vertically, vertically, and come to this point, or maybe here is okay, but I just need to move these 2 anchor points. And the head is remained. We're gonna create another layer, hide this one. I'm going to create the head. Go to pen tool, click here, this changes color so we can understand well, and hide this one, reveal all these 2. Now we need to use another tool before its class, because we need to cut the head from the logo or from the first we have. Select both the head and the feather from which you want to cut the head off. Go to the shape builder, hold Alt to change it to minus or subtraction, click and drag so you guys delete these two shapes, and here is the logo you guys created. Now bring it here, right click, make it a group, reveal this one as well, click on this one. Now there is no need to be template. Click on this one, click on the eyedropper tool so we copy the color. Now we have two logos. The first one, which was original, and the second one, which we created. So this is how you're gonna recreate the logo. The benefits of our logo is how much we resize it, it's not going to lose its quality. We can use it for printing, we can use it for branding, we can use it for whatever we want. Or maybe you guys copied a logo, it's illegal as well if it's not your logo. Now if I resize this one, you can see it's not the same one anymore. So this was the pen tool. I hope you guys liked it, learned it. I need to give you guys assignments as well. Whenever I do something, I create something, you guys are supposed to do the same, but not with the same logo or the same shape I draw. You guys do something else, send me back on my social media platforms or on this YouTube channel. In the comments you can share the links. So I need to know that you guys are working, you guys are learning. I want to create an army of graphic designers, so you are the soldiers. Maybe it was a big word, but I hope you guys understood. Like the video, subscribe the video, hit on the bell icon, and share it with your friends. Thank you.